Hello, dear all. I hope you are well today, and I will share you a very beautiful ride. In this ride, I was riding along Betua Ghat in the island district of Bhola, which is in Bangladesh. I was trying to go to the very end of this place, but I had less time, so I took the help of Google Map, and Google Map unexpectedly showed us the road. I was a little nervous at first, but the saying, "Don't seek adventure, adventure will find you," came true, and I found an amazing road. I hope you will enjoy. Thank you. The road is built on a barrage to protect it from the rough waves of the sea, and there are many coconut trees on the seaside. Many seagoing fishing boats are built here. The place is so beautiful that you can't feel the real fun unless you actually come here. Just see the amazing view.